Assalamualaikum. Good evening. Good evening. Assalamualaikum. Good evening. In the Philippines. Yes, Assalamualaikum. Alikan. Kafe kulo demang kois. Hello. Assalamualaikum. Kan. Kulu kan. Pakistani. Husin. Assalamualaikum, madam. Waalaikumsalam. Magla-live lang ako saglit kasi po I have a task for mates, okay? Assalamualaikum. How are you? Fine. Alhamdulillah. Tawali. Asraj, Hussein, Ali. How are you? Fine. Alhamdulillah. Assalamualaikum. Hi ma'am. How are you? Fine. Alhamdulillah. Rahman. Aldin Ahmad. Waalaikumsalam. Assalamualaikum. Mahirap ka may tax. Kailangan maano mo yung tax mo para ma-close. Yes, Assalamualaikum. Kulo kwais. Kulo kwais. Assalamualaikum. Okay. Shout out ko Tabato. Giba, Kipar. Pasensya po, mabilis po ang comment. Sobrang bilis. Assalamualaikum basakin. Di ka. Hindi ko mabasa, ang bilis. Watching from Ethiopian. MashaAllah. Ethiopian. Talib. Hi. Kan. Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam. Muhammad. Love you. Sukran kullu. Hebek. Patum. We love you all. Indonesian. Dika. MashaAllah. Dika. Kefek. Assalamualaikum. Rahman. Waalaikumsalam. Rahman. Hussein. Good. Alhamdulillah. Mamun. Hello. Assalamualaikum Mamun. Imran Khan. Assalamualaikum Imran. Talib Sahid. Hi. Alamin. Rahman. Hello dear sister. Thank you so much. You're very sweet. Thank you. Yes, I'm very sweet. Why? Oh, very nice life. Sukran. I make live every day because I have a task for mates, okay? I will tell you this. Almost Pakistan, Bangladesh, what's that? India, okay? Please don't put your photos in Reels. You cannot monetize, wallah. You understand what I mean? Content creators, don't put your pictures and put. Ang dami ako nakikita kasi, ang dami nilang mga ibang lahi, hindi sila mamonetize talaga. Ang daming mali sa mga content nila. Kasi puro pictures. Ya habibi kullu, don't put your pictures in Reels. You cannot monetize, wallah. Promise. Don't put in your watch or mind, okay? Only video to put in Reels. And be careful the music, okay? You cannot monetize the Reels if you do that. If you have a trending music, don't put that, okay? If you're not monetized, okay? Don't put your pictures in Reels. Do you understand? I have too much friends and followers here, like in Pakistan, Indian, Bangladesh. They put the pictures in Reels. No. For when you can put in